In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a document in Gamma app step by step so you can turn an idea into a clean visual document in just a few minutes. Gamma is a powerful tool for creating polished content quickly, whether you're making a study guide, a business outline, a report, a lesson, or a simple document for sharing online. If you've ever wanted a faster way to build a professional looking document without starting from scratch, this tutorial is for you. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the website loads, sign into your Gamma account. If you already have an account, just enter your login details and continue. If you're new, you may need to create an account first before you can start making documents. After you're inside Gamma, you'll see the main dashboard, which is where all your new projects begin. Now look for the Create New button on the dashboard. This is the starting point for making different types of content in Gamma. Click on it, and Gamma will show you several creation options. From those options, choose Document. This tells Gamma that you want to build a document instead of a presentation or another format. Once you select Document, Gamma will begin preparing the workspace for your new file. Next, you'll be asked to type in the topic for your document. This is where you describe what you want Gamma to create. For example, you could type something like create a document about healthy study habits, or you could enter any topic that fits your goal. The more specific your topic is, the better Gamma can shape the outline and content. Think of this as giving Gamma the direction it needs to build the first draft for you. After entering your topic, click Generate or Continue, depending on the version you see on your screen. Gamma will then start creating a structure or outline for your document. This is one of the most useful parts of the process because it saves you time and gives you a ready-made starting point. Instead of looking at a blank page, you'll get a document framework that already has sections and flow built in. Once the outline appears, take a moment to review it carefully. Look at the headings, the order of the sections, and the overall structure. If anything looks off, you can adjust your topic or edit the outline before moving forward. This is your chance to make sure the document matches the purpose you had in mind. Gamma is designed to help you move quickly, but it still gives you control over the final result. After reviewing the outline, Gamma may ask you to choose a theme or visual style. This helps define the look of your document, including colors, spacing, and design style. Pick the theme that best fits your content. For example, a study document might look better with a clean, minimal layout, while a business document might need something more professional and polished. Choosing the right style makes your document look more complete and engaging. Now click Generate again so Gamma can build a full document. In a few moments, Gamma will create your document with headings, paragraphs, and visual formatting. You'll see the content laid out in a clean, easy-to-read design. This is where Gamma really shines because it turns your topic into a structured document that already looks refined and presentation ready. Once the document is created, you can start editing it as needed. You can change the headings, rewrite the paragraphs, adjust images, and modify the layout to better suit your needs. If a section feels too short, expand it. If something doesn't match your message, replace it. You can also refine the design so the document looks exactly how you want it to look. Gamma gives you a lot of flexibility, so don't be afraid to personalize the final version. And that's how to create a document in Gamma app. In just a few steps, you can go from a simple idea to a fully designed document that you can edit, present, export, or share. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.